Okay, what we're about to see is a giant long bus getting hit by a train. As you can see, the bus goes off screen, and then there's the front of the bus. So, let's just see what happens. Well, I guess that's what happens. Oh, part of the bus is still there. If I just cut this, then is the bus still drivable? Well, let's see. Vehicle condition is pretty good. I think it's still a little bit stuck, but if I go down here and not go in first person, you can see the front wheels spinning a little bit. What happens if we pin an indestructible object like a hovercraft onto the tracks? Okay, we got the train at speed 30, and I'm gonna freeze it. Now let's see. Oh, it just goes through it. Okay, so don't really need the hovercraft anymore, so let's just yeet it. Now what else should I put on the tracks? You know what? There, I've yeeted a bus onto a train. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh man, I've actually started a huge explosion. Well, we'll put that on the tracks with all this. So I put this thing on the track. And we have two buses and a train coming straight for it. And man, the cab of the train is destroyed. That looks like it's the train from the movie Runaway Train. Man, there's fire. The thing's gonna explode if it hasn't already. Man. I got the train moving at 25 miles an hour. So on track 1 we have a boxcar with nothing in it. On track 2 we have a flatbed with containers on it. And inside of one of these containers just so happens to be the perfect thing to make this look epic. A single propane canister. Just hit toggle freeze. This should explode when it hits it. You can see part of the container wagon right here. Oh my god. This is just too good. It really was just chopped in half and, well, chopped into 3 pieces and ridded of its, of its middle. Because that's the other end of the container wagon, right there. Man, I should really get that off the tracks. Okay, I've nicely moved the flatbed pieces over there. And now we're gonna unfreeze the train. I set it to a very low speed, which I'd say is probably a good coupling speed, so we can couple up to this derailed boxcar. The boxcar is still gonna, from what I've learned from playing this game for half a year, is that this boxcar is definitely still gonna get absolutely decimated, absolutely destroyed, blown to smithereens. But, I at least want to try this. I'll get back to you when it's a little bit closer. Okay, the train is a little bit closer now. Now, it should end up hitting it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hit. Oh my god. The boxcar is actually moving. And I was about to say, it's actually moving and not getting destroyed, but yeah, definitely getting destroyed. You know what? I'll do this. Because at this point, oh my god, pieces of the boxcar just on the ground. Well, I think I'm gonna end it. Bye. Cue the ultimate outro.